Ever been in line for coffee, ready to pay with Venmo, and then suddenly you're hit with that dreaded question, do I have enough money in my account? We've all been there. It's a small moment of panic that's totally avoidable once you know how to quickly check your Venmo balance. And guess what? It's even easier than you think. Your Venmo balance isn't a secret. It's right there, waiting for you every time you open the app. The key is knowing where to look. When you first launch Venmo, you land on the home feed, which is great for seeing what your friends are up to, but it's not where you'll find your cash. For the Android users, tap the Me tab in the bottom right corner. It looks like a single-person icon. Once you're on your profile page, your balance will be clearly displayed at the top, right below your name. It's that simple. Now for the iPhone users, it's slightly different, but just as easy. You'll also find the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Tap it, and your profile page will load, showing your balance prominently at the top. So, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, a single tap is all it takes to see your money. But wait, there's more. What if you don't have the app open or want a quicker glance? Venmo's got you covered there too. If you've enabled notifications, you'll sometimes get an update on your balance after a transaction. And you can always log into the Venmo website on a desktop or mobile browser to see your balance, as well as a more detailed transaction history. This is especially useful if you're trying to budget or keep track of your spending. So, to recap, the fastest way to check your Venmo balance is by opening the app, heading to the Me tab in the bottom right corner, and your balance will be right there at the top of your profile. No more guessing, no more last-minute scrambles. You'll always be prepared. Knowing this simple trick saves you time and that little bit of anxiety. It's a game changer for anyone who uses Venmo regularly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.